I understand your pain. I understand your frustrations. Within the last 14 years, this is the worst time ever. Business is down, no sales, everybody is blaming somebody. But what can we do? Can we wait for a miracle to happen? No, we can't. As business leaders, we got to change our own game rather than waiting for someone else to happen. Number one, how can you make sure that in your short-term game, objectives are clear, that everybody is excited and focused in this game? Number two, how can we make sure that we are not keeping any stone unturned? We make sure that we are playing smarter than we used to do 2 months ago. Number three, how can we make sure that we think differently? Is there anything new that we could do? There might be. Number four, in this new game, we need to keep everybody focused, disciplined, making sure that they deliver their 110%. Lastly, that each and every person in our team is connected with the short-term strategy, with their head, with their heart. Talk to us. Let's go through this journey together. Let's change the game.